I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by opening Command Prompt now. Do not use Settings or Control Panel. Once it appears, make sure you run it as administrator if you might need full details. You are using a single, definitive command, ipconfig/all, because it exposes the adapter labels exactly as Windows recognizes them. Type ipconfig/all and press Enter. You will see a block for each adapter. This direct method prevents ambiguity between friendly names and hardware interface names. Now read the output carefully. Each adapter appears under a heading like Ethernet adapter or wireless LAN adapter. This immediately narrows the candidate names. You should focus on the description line because that is the adapter name the operating system and drivers use. It often includes vendor and model info. Once done, cross-check the physical address, MAC, to verify you picked the correct physical device, especially when multiple adapters exist. This avoids misidentifying virtual adapters or VPN interfaces. Finish by confirming the same adapter name in Device Manager under Network Adapters. This provides a graphical match to the ipconfig description. If ipconfig/all shows no relevant entries, make sure the adapter is enabled and its drivers are installed. Disabled or missing drivers produce no listing. Once done, restart the networking service or reboot the PC if necessary. If problems persist, check cables or USB ports for hardware faults. This final check closes the loop and solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.